In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on the Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Now you need to select any feature you wish to manage and click on one of your apps. Now pick one of those options, allow or don't allow, and go back. If you want to, you can also select any feature and tap on an app you wish to manage instead. Then select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!